Using HubSpot without the right analytics is like hopping in your car for a road trip without Google Maps. You'll be guessing the entire way there, and you'll actually be lucky if you reach the right destination in time. And with that, a big welcome back to our Marketing Hub Masterclass. This is our 8th and final chapter to make sure you always have the right analytics at your fingertips. In this video, we're going to be covering 5 marketing essentials: HubSpot's AI tools to offload manual work, standard reports to get quick insights without drowning in data, then using A/B testing to stop guessing and start knowing what actually works, advanced analytics that show you how to accurately attribute revenue, and finally, watch until the end for 5 critical mistakes to avoid if you want to use all of HubSpot's full marketing capabilities. And with that, let's dive in. AI is changing the game, helping companies scale with less headcount and work more efficiently than ever before. And HubSpot is no different. Breeze is HubSpot's suite of artificial intelligence or AI tools, helping marketers offload manual work. And within Marketing Hub, you have access to great AI features to help craft social media posts, test email subject lines, create intricate lead scoring metrics to identify hot leads, and AI capabilities to simplify your campaign analytics. Breeze offers a big range of AI capabilities across HubSpot's other hubs, so make sure to check out our other videos for a deep dive into all of these features. And if you'd like a personalized consultation to see how these AI features can help your business grow, contact us using the link in the description. That's all for AI, so let's move into analytics to give you the data you need to make smart decisions. Reporting can make or break your company. Without the right reports, companies can't confidently make decisions, or worse, you don't know where you might be leaking money or how to fix those issues. So let's dig into HubSpot's analytics features to get you the numbers you need to scale with confidence. To find HubSpot's awesome out-of-the-box reports, let's navigate to Reporting and Reports. Then click the Marketing section. Here you'll find reports across 3 key categories. First, channel performance. These show which marketing channels actually bring in customers. So your ads on Facebook might feel good, but if organic search brings in 60% of your leads, that is where your budget should go. Next, web traffic analysis. This tells you where visitors come from and what they do. If people bounce off of your pricing page within 5 seconds, you have a messaging opportunity. And contact insights. This shows which sources generate the most new contacts. This is your early warning system. If your best lead source drops 40% month over month, you can adjust super quickly. Now, to customize these standard reports and make them truly powerful, you can apply filters. You can filter data by date range, group by specific properties like owner or team, or even focus on specific campaigns or pipelines. Our next tool is here to take your analytics to the next level. So welcome A/B testing. Also known as split testing, this is a tried and true way to optimize your marketing assets and campaigns, because small changes can make a difference in as little as a 2% improvement in your conversion rates, which over time can extrapolate out into massive results for your company. Now, here's the core concept. You create 2 versions, let's call them A and B, of an email or a call to action. You show each version to a segment of your audience. Then you analyze which version performs better against a specific goal, such as a higher open rate or more form submissions or a better click-through rate. Now, remember here to change only one thing at a time. Otherwise, you won't know which change you made actually made a difference. Now let's take a look at some applications of this. A/B testing emails for HubSpot Marketing Hub Pro and Enterprise users. You can try out different subject lines, what you write in the email, who the email says it's from, or even when you send it to see what works best to get people to open and click on your emails. Then we have CTAs. So for newer CTAs, you can create a different version, change it, and launch a test. HubSpot will then show these different versions to different people. We look at how well they do by checking things like how many people see your CTAs, how many people click on them, or how many click, then submit something. And the best performing version is then chosen. And guys, if your goal is to scale without scaling headcount, analytics like this are your absolute best friend. But learning all the ins and outs of HubSpot can be super overwhelming and time consuming. So that is why here at On The Fuse, we help busy teams make HubSpot work exactly how you need it to grow your business. If you are tired of paying a premium for a glorified database, just click the link in the description to book a free consultation with one of our experts. We have helped over 1,000 companies use HubSpot's full potential, and we would love to see if we can help you too. And with that, let's jump into our next feature, which is advanced analytics. Now, HubSpot's out-of-the-box reports are great to answer basic questions, but custom reports are where the real gold lies to answer your strategic growth question. And to find them, let's navigate to reporting, reports, then create report. Next, choose which objects you want to report across. For example, if you want to see how your marketing activities influence sales, link your contacts with deals. Then you can select specific properties, event data, and activity data to include, apply filters to narrow down your data sets, and choose various chart types to best represent your data. Some great custom reported examples are qualified leads created this week by lead source, or most engaged contacts based on website activity and email opens. Once your core metrics are set up, you'll want to consider using HubSpot's Attribution Reports to tie revenue directly back to your marketing activities. This is a game changer for marketers who need to prove campaign ROI to leadership and potentially win more budget for their efforts. Now, to set this up, let's choose our attribution model. Think of it like this. The model you choose is how your data tells its story. And HubSpot offers a few options. First interaction or first touch attribution, which attributes the closed-won business to the very first interaction that led to them knowing about your business. Then last touch attribution, which is the opposite. This attributes the revenue to the last interaction that ultimately helped close the deal. There's also linear attribution, which gives equal credit to every touch point and shows a complete customer journey. There is also U-shaped attribution, which credits first touch and lead conversion heavily. This is a great model for understanding the impact of campaigns for brand awareness or lead generation. And finally, for you Marketing Hub enterprise users, HubSpot offers multi-touch attribution. This is phenomenal for marketing teams who have multiple lead sources, campaigns across brand awareness to paid ad campaigns, and even retargeting or nurture campaigns. This model helps leadership clearly see the full customer journey in your most impactful channels. Now, depending on what your focus is, we would recommend choosing a combination of the attribution models we just went through. So, for example, if you don't have the multi-touch attribution features of HubSpot's Marketing Hub Enterprise, we would recommend using both the first and last touch attribution models. This way you can see what started the conversation and then what ultimately closed the deal. This will help you plan budgets or potentially win even more budget from leadership during your next planning session. Now, guys, I hate to say it, but this is our final episode of the Marketing Hub Masterclass series. So before we wrap everything up, make sure to avoid these 5 critical mistakes to make sure you are using HubSpot's full potential. Mistake number 1 is over automation. Just because you can use automation to offload manual work, it doesn't mean that everything in your business should be automated from day 1. So we recommend establishing an MVP, testing it, then building on these foundations. And no matter what, do not forget the human element to your marketing and your sales campaign. Mistake number 2 is stopping at basic training. The awesome team over there at HubSpot releases new tools and new features every single month. So make sure to schedule regular team training sessions so you don't get left behind. The third critical mistake we see is marketing and sales working in silos. So to avoid this, establish shared goals and streamline processes between both of your departments. Mistake 4 is the DIY approach. So 45% of companies actually struggle with implementation for more than 6 months before seeking help, which is 6 months of money flushed down the drain. So if the DIY approach is not working, get help from an expert. We are an elite HubSpot partner and one of North America's top trusted partners. So if you're tired of HubSpot not working, just use the link in the description to book a call with one of our experts. And in just 3 easy steps, we can audit your HubSpot and give you a plan to make it work exactly how your business needs it to work. And finally, critical error number 5 is underutilization. We get it. HubSpot can be overwhelming and frustrating. So when most companies give up, make sure to keep pushing forward so you actually get a big return on your HubSpot investment. To do this, keep it simple. Establish and focus one goal at a time. And by the time you look back, you will be a HubSpot pro. So guys, there you have it. You are now a Marketing Hub master. In this series, we covered absolutely everything from your very basic setup to advanced campaign, automation, and analytics tools to ensure you are using all of HubSpot's marketing potential. Now, we understand that HubSpot is an expensive tool, especially if you're not seeing value from it. So if you did find this content valuable, please give us a like and subscribe so we can post more great videos like this and help out other companies just like yours. On the other hand, if there is anything that you want us to dig a little bit deeper into or cover on this channel, make sure to let us know in the comments. And with that, we will see you in our next video. Bye.